Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to freeze row or column in Microsoft Excel on mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my data in my Microsoft Excel, and for example, I'm going to freeze my first row. If we want to freeze row or column, we need to select the row or column we want to freeze. I'm going to select my first row and we're going to go to the home menu. You can click on this icon first and then you're going to click on the home and you are going to select view. Okay, and in this view menu, we can scroll down until we find the freeze panes. And here you will be able to select freeze panes, freeze top row, and freeze first column. And since I want to freeze my first row, I'm going to select this one, freeze top row. Okay, and I'm going to go back and check it. And as you can see, guys, that my first row has been frozen. And if you want to freeze your first column, you just need to do the same step. You can select your first column and you can go to the view and go to the freeze panes and just select freeze first column. Alright guys, and that's all the way to freeze column or row in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.